Here's a fun project which takes only 2 hours to make. These are some of the steps involved.
So in order to make sure that I can solder these two pieces together, I have to be careful that the two parts being soldered are really touching. And you can see I've bent the metal and pressed it together so that it is really touching. If there's a gap, you cannot solder the two pieces together. I need a little bit of solder to solder the two pieces together. We never use copper solder as it has cadmium in it, and that is a health hazard. So we are going to use silver solder for this. And I just need some small pieces. So when I cut little strips like this, so we're just going to put our finger here and we're going to cut those little pieces off. And you can see that we get lots of little tiny pieces there. And those are my little pallions of solder. So if I take that, I'll collect them inside my pot. Okay, so I put a few pallions of silver this way. I'm going to turn that over. And I'm going to put the rest of the pallions here. And a few more. Yeah. So I've got a few small pallions of silver coming around here. So at this point we need to flux it again, and I'll just get a brush, a little brush to flux it. Okay, and we will start this up. Now it's going to be hot again. Great. So now we'll pick that up. And incoming. We've got a very good solder joint there. Let's see if it's soldered on the other side. So we've managed to solder two parts of the copper together, and they're well soldered, it's well joined. So now what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to remove some of the solder from the copper. We use a silver solder, not copper solder. Copper solder is more dangerous. So now what we have to do is we're going to have to sand it a little bit to make the edges nice and smooth. And we are also going to have to grind away the excess solder. So what I can do is I can take my flex shaft, and I'm going to take a box with some drill bits in it and some tools. I'm going to select this diamond encrusted tool. Let's put that one over there. And we're going to make sure to get rid of all of the excess solder. When you use this tool, when you put your drill bits in here or any item that you're putting inside, you have to make sure that it's fitting very straight. You don't want it to wobble about and go crazy when it's in the rotary tool, because the rotary tool runs very, very fast. Good. So now that we're ready, I'm going to pull this out from my arm, and I am going to grind away some of the excess solder. Now, I'm trying to get very close to seeing. Sometimes we have to use magnification. So I'm going to put this optimizer on. This helps me to see a lot better.